Click on the link below to get coupon. Welcome to our exciting review of the Poolin, the Mirror Multi-Needles commercial embroidery machine. Whether you're a passionate hobbyist just starting out or a small business owner looking to elevate your embroidery game, this machine has something uniquely special to offer you. So let's dive right in and explore the fantastic features that make this machine stand out. First off, let's talk about the embroidery area. With an impressive size of 13.8 by 19.7 inches, this space is absolutely huge. Just imagine the possibilities. You'll have the freedom to create custom designs for hats, t-shirts, hoodies, and so much more without any limitations. Picture yourself stitching intricate logos and vibrant designs with incredible ease. It really opens up a world of creativity. Now, one of the standout features of this machine is its multi-needle capability. Say goodbye to the days of stopping every few minutes to change threads manually. With this machine, you can switch colors effortlessly, allowing for a more fluid and uninterrupted workflow. And that's not all. Thanks to its advanced auto color change technology, your productivity will skyrocket. Just think about how much time you'll save during your projects. This means you can take on larger orders or spend more time on the creative aspects you love. But wait, it gets even better. This machine comes equipped with Wi-Fi transfer capability. That's right, no more tangled cables or frustration. You can send your designs straight from your computer to the machine with just a few clicks, making your creative process even more seamless. How convenient is that? It's like having the technology work for you, rather than the other way around. Now, let's talk about what you get right out of the box. You'll find a fantastic array of accessories tailored for various projects, so you can jump right into your stitching adventures without needing to make any extra purchases. It's all about simplifying your experience and helping you hit the ground running. Ease of use is another highlight of the Poolin machine. The user-friendly touchscreen interface makes navigation a breeze for everyone, whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned pro. It allows you to focus on what you truly love, creating beautiful, personalized pieces that showcase your unique style. In our testing, we found that the machine operated at impressive speeds while maintaining a remarkably high stitch quality. This reliability is essential whether you're tackling smaller projects or larger batches. If you're running a small embroidery business, you'll find this machine to be an ideal partner for boosting your productivity and meeting your customers' needs with efficiency and flair. Now, how does the Poolin machine compare to its competitors? The unique blend of multi-needle functionality, auto color change, and Wi-Fi transfer capabilities truly sets it apart as a top choice in the market. It's almost like having a personal embroidery assistant right at your fingertips. And who wouldn't want that? But don't just take my word for it. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Users are raving about the machine's speed, ease of use, and the impressive stitch quality it delivers. While a few have noted a bit of a learning curve, the high satisfaction rate among users is unmistakable. It's clear that once you get the hang of it, you'll be creating stunning embroidery pieces in no time. To wrap it all up, if you're looking to enhance your embroidery skills and take your projects to the next level, the Poolin, the Mirror Multi-Needles commercial embroidery machine is a fantastic investment. It's equipped with all the features you need to thrive in your creative pursuits. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe for more exciting content. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What features do you think are absolutely essential in an embroidery machine? Drop your comments below. We genuinely want to know. And don't forget to check the link in the description to purchase your own Poolin machine. Thank you so much for listening, and happy embroidering. Until next time, keep creating. Click on the link below to get coupon.